Welcome to Tips of the Trade by Natural LED. I'm Frank Grobmeier, and today we're going to take a look at a problem that happens a lot of times to homeowners who use cordless power tools. Have you ever plugged a bunch of your cordless power tool battery chargers into a power strip and you use one and then you forget one that's on the charger already? When you leave that cordless battery on the charger for extended periods of time, the overcharging of that battery will cause that battery to lose life. There's a real simple solution. They make power strips with individual switches on them to turn each of the outlets on and off. This way, you can keep all your chargers plugged into the power strip and just turn them on and off as you need them. Thanks for watching Tips of the Trade by Natural LED. If you have a tip, send me an email, frank@fanlightinc.com, frank@fanlightinc.com.